In this video, I'm going to show you Together AI, which is a cloud platform for both building and running both large language models and then generative AI models as a whole. It's really designed to enable developers to create and customize AI models where you can offer scalable compute at lower prices than others offering a similar type of product. So once you sign up for an account on Together AI, you should be able to get $25 worth of free credits. You will be able to go in and see this interface, and then you can just go ahead and get started. Now the one thing that I really like about their playground is they have this little code button where you can just go ahead, select your coding language, and then you're off to the races. So it has everything set up. Even if you typed something as an example, it will have the prompt there and the type of format that you need for everything. And the other thing that's nice with this is while there are a ton of text models, there are also other models. So if you're interested in image generation, coding models, that's built in here as well. So it's a really great platform, and the thing that really stands out to me on this platform is how easy it is to fine tune a model. It's incredibly simple. So within about 5 or 6 steps, you'll be able to go ahead and get fine tuning your own model. So essentially you can just go through these steps, install the Together library, get your API key from the platform, prepare your data. Then you can just go ahead and upload your data, and once it is uploaded, you can just select the model that you'd like from the list, and then you can just create your CLI command from the model. So if you just follow these 5 to 6 steps, it will start to fine tune a model within a couple of minutes. And if we talk about the cost of actually fine tuning a model, so I use the example dataset that they provided here from the Hugging Face. It is the Unified Joke Explanations dataset. And what I did here is I actually copied this whole JSON-L file and I put it within a Llama token counter. So from there it gave me this many tokens, and all I did was I put it within the Together AI pricing calculator with the model that I used, and it was accurate. It was exactly $5. So it was deducted from my $25 balance. It dropped exactly to 20. Now once you have it all fine-tuned, your job is complete. You can just go into the models tab and you will see all your models that you fine-tuned here. So you can just go ahead and select the model, and then if you want to turn it on for inference, you can just go ahead and click this play button. You will see the hardware that is going to be running on, and then you also see the cost per hour rather for hosting. So it's really simple to get up and running for deploying models. There is also this option if you're interested in having a dedicated instance, so that is also available here. So overall, a really nice product that you can just go around and play around within the platform. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to bring this to your attention. I think it's great what they're doing over at Together AI. But otherwise, if you found this video useful, please like and share the video. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Till then, bye-bye. I'll see you guys in the next one.